The world is rapidly changing and imagination is turning into reality. AHA, a company act at the speed of thought, is at the center of technology for changed world. In 1995, AHA was founded with aspiration to become the center of the world economy. In 1996, with the start of Multi-School Annette, AHA began to grow, developing a real-time children monitoring system and diversified school broadcasting system. In 2001, changed name to AHA Information and Communication Company Limited, and in 2002, changed its business to interactive flat panel display and started a new era. In 2003, developed the world's first smart podium. In 2007, AHA obtained excellent new product certification for world's first LCD-based interactive flat panel display. In 2008, AHA received the Prime Minister's and the Minister of Knowledge Economy commendations, and in 2009 received the President's Commendation and World-Class Product certification. AHA was selected as a Small Giant Company of Korea in 2012. In 2016, awarded $20 million export tower and received the Order of Industrial Service Merit. In 2019, launched the world's first in-cell touch products. AHA is raising Korea's status all over the world as expanding its business to various portfolios such as EdTech, healthcare, and electric vehicle charging. AHA has become global company as fulfilling social responsibilities. AHA is recognized as a good company to work for and is making every effort for sustainable growth as obtaining ESG1, which evaluates improving eco-friendliness, social responsibility management, and corporate governance. AHA is in position as exemplary company by acquiring ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 and awarded the Respected Entrepreneur Award. AHA is leading the way with unique and differentiated technologies. Securing excellent research resources in 4 R&D laboratories, AHA holds over 200 patents as a result of continuous efforts and research for a better life. Future sensor technologies such as diverse touch sensor technologies, motion space, and environmental biometrics. AI facial recognition technology that analyzes data collected through sensors to derive the best solution. Metaverse contents for education and video conferencing, smart EdTech technology including real-time distance learning system, Live Station. Multi-streamer plasma technology to remove, deodorize, and sterilize viruses, bacteria, and radioactive substances. Development of slow charging and fast charging technologies for electric vehicle. Electric vehicle charging technology that provides smart charging management system. Various technologies that enrich the world are being developed here in AHA. Change is a door to opportunity. AHA has been preparing for future through challenge and innovation. Now, AHA products are changing our world. EdTech is one of AHA's main businesses. AHA has maintained the top rank in domestic sales and exports for 13 consecutive years in the field of interactive flat panel display. All-in-one system for online classes or broadcasting. AHA Live Station, non-contact live streaming system, and Cube 9, space for distance learning will change the paradigm of smart school. AHA will take the lead in future of education with metaverse-based educational contents as well as hardware. AHA's healthcare for new normal era. Non-contact temperature measurement Smart Pass is now must-have product around the world. The air sterilizer Puritopia sterilizes 99.9% of bacteria and viruses through H-stage sterilization system. AHA's oxygen concentrator that converts clean air with cutting-edge plasma technology will create a clean future environment. AHA is working on new business development of electric vehicle charging technology. AHA developed fast charging system that charge electric vehicle less than 30 minutes and slow changing system for home environment, and finally wireless charging system as well. AHA will open up a new future of the electric vehicle era. AHA, a company that constantly challenges and innovates, is not complacent with its domestic performance, but has entered the global market and achieved remarkable results. AHA products are being exported to 64 countries around the world, now available at Amazon worldwide. Since its establishment, the efforts of steadily building global partnerships with recognized technology are being paid off. In 2017, AHA established its subsidiary in Japan to increase the market share and now diversifies its business into the healthcare field. From 2021, AHA has established subsidiaries in China and Europe and are growing into a global IT leader by securing logistics center in the Netherlands and the United States. AHA is recognized in the global market based on the best technology and excellent manpower. Differences in thinking change the world and future. AHA is creating a future that is different from others by thinking differently from others. In the new normal era, to become a world-class company, AHA's challenges continue.